Okay, so now we have our two tables filled out. We know our rules. We have enough numbers to put onto our graph. So now we should make two lines. You make a line for this table and a line for this table. So let's start with this one. So again, this is our x-axis, left and right, and this is our y-axis, up and down. So for this first row, we're going 1 on the x. Everything's positive still. We haven't gotten into negatives. So over 1, up 3. 1, 2, 3. Put a dot. Now we're going over to the right 3, up 9. 1, 2, 3, up 9. Now remember, now we kind of went backwards. Now we're going 2, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you really only need those 3 dots, but we have 0, 0, so we can put it in, which remember is right there in the middle. So I'm going to grab my ruler before I even do my other one. Line it up the best I can. It should go right through the middle there where 0, 0 is. And then put a line. Add some arrows because they go on in both directions. And I'm going to label that line with my rule, y equals 3x. So just sort of near one of the ends, y equals 3x. All right, let's do the second one. Now I go over 10 to the right and up 8. 10 is the last line, up 8. Now I go to the right 8 and up 6. So to the right 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count as fast as you can without getting lost. Now I go 6 right, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 lines, but I'll put the 4th one since I already have it. To the right 4, up 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. So now I have my 4 dots, my 4 points. Again, grab a ruler or something to make a straight line. Get all 4 dots kind of like halfway through the dots like that. And you just strike the line, put the arrows, and then you're going to label that line y equals x minus 2. Either end, y equals x minus 2. And there you go. You can pause it right there if you need to. It's a good picture. All right. And now going to the back page of our packet, or the next page of your note page. I know my pen kind of was bleeding through, but that's okay. So sometimes your tables will go this direction, but don't worry, they work exactly the same. Okay? They work exactly the same. Now the problem here is that this line has been copied so many times. There's supposed to be a line here and you're supposed to be able to see. What they're showing you here is you'd have to find some points. But this one we skip each year because we can't see any of the lines. But number 2 is the same example. Here you go. So now they gave you a line, and you have to fill in the table and write the rule. Okay. X and Y. If it's this direction, the X goes on top and the Y goes on the bottom. So what you have to do is you have to look at your line closely, and you have to find some points where it makes a nice break right through, where it meets somewhere nice. Like right here, if I look closely, it goes through a nice point right there, which is over 1 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. So this point is called 1, 3. Let's see, is there any other places where it goes through very nicely? Oh, right here. Over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6. And I really could use one more because I have 3 blocks for it. So if I keep following my line, oh, here's a point where it goes through nicely. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 9. And then all I'm going to do is put that into my box. So my first one is 1, 3. X is 1, Y is 3. X is 2, Y is